So who are foster parents? They are people in the community that volunteer and want to be this temporary parent for this child, caring for them, helping them get their needs met, and supporting their reunification with their parents.
The foster parent's role is to really partner not only with the department, but really be that emotional support to that child, be an advocate for that child.
Foster parents are important because we need families to support our foster youth, the kids who come into our care and they require some additional love.
Foster parents really are that bridge between the foster care system and working with biological parents to work towards reunification. And the ultimate goal is reunification with their biological parents.
There's no set way that a foster parent should look. It's just the internal parts of the care and commitment. But there's no disqualifications based off of gender identity, gender expression, or sexual identification.
Diversity is very important because the children that come into the care, they come from very diverse backgrounds. And so the myth about if you do identify with that community and that being a barrier to becoming a foster parent is actually not true. You're actually welcomed to come along this journey and support children that maybe could benefit from your lived experiences with the challenges that they may be experiencing as a part of now being in foster care.
So age doesn't matter. I feel like everybody has their own experiences. It's good for us to have individuals who are assisting us as foster parents who have come from a lot of different walks of life and who are from a lot of different demographics.
What we talk about when we're talking to people about fostering is the season in your life that is best to do this work. And for some, that might be before they have children. They're able to focus on the kids in their house, they're young, they're energetic. And for others, it might be when they have children and they're in the rhythm, they've got experience, and they have the time to be able to give children. And then for others, it might be they do it during their retired years. It's really what's best for you and what works and makes the most sense for you and your lifestyle.
There's no limitations in terms of having to be married or being single. We're open to diversity in terms of how you support this child in getting into that role.
We have no boundaries when it comes to who can be a parent. Everybody who wants to be a foster parent, who has the love and commitment towards our foster kids, can be foster parents.
A lot of the parents that I work with are full-time in the office Monday through Friday, and we're fully able to work with them. They're great foster parents. They're still very available to their youth, creating loving, safe environment.
Through support that we can give to the foster parents, through daycare, transportation, after-school care, that we are able to support foster parents wherever they are in their journey of life.
If you have a calling to really have an impact in not only children's lives, but their families' lives, and be a part of positivity and be a part of that positive impact in that child's life or in that family's life, I think the calling for fostering is something for you.
Many children, they really want time. They want someone to be interested in them. They want someone to be curious and hear their thoughts and show them that they are important. And that's when children, when they receive that, when you give them that time, they start to believe that they're important and worthy of something good. And all of that's free. So there are many people that can do this work. If you have eyes to see the good, if you have time and a heart to give and resources to offer, you can do this work too.